Hello, students. I wish you all a very pleasant morning. Welcome to today's class. Dear students, today we will learn about notice writing. In today's class, we will know all the rules of notice writing and we will also know about the format of notice writing. Dear students, notice writing is a very easy form of writing, but sometimes students don't score marks because they don't follow the format or they don't go with the appropriate rules. And although sometimes they write content correctly, but they don't get marks because they don't follow the rules and the format. First of all, we will know what is a notice. A notice is a written form of formal message or a type of written announcement made to everyone. As notice is a written form of formal message, so it is made to inform all about various activities, like the activities may refer to football tournament or debate competition or annual day celebration to be held in a school. Notice for a holiday, inter-school competitions, inter-school band competition, inter-school debate competition, inter-school speech competition, inter-school dance competition, music competition, etc. The notices are written in simple language to deliver a direct message to the readers of the notice. Notices are generally written, dear students, to inform everybody as a whole about some very important event or uh, a function or a program to be held in a school, whether it is it is based on sports or any other matter. So dear students, today we will know about the rules of notice writing. Notice writing has some rules. We should know that notices are always written in a box. Then we should not use the first person like I, we, me. You know that these are the first person of pronoun. We use I, me, we. But in notice, we should not write I, me or we because it is for everyone. It is a general writing for everyone. So we should not write these words while writing a notice. A notice should not be written in more than 50 words. 50 words are the word limit. Sometimes one or two more words could be there, but notice should not be very big or large. Otherwise, there are chances that you will lose your marks. The format is very important while writing a notice. So we should be very careful about the format of the notice writing. In the format of the notice includes the name of the institution or organization that will be there in your question, and you have to follow that particular institution or organization which is given. If it is not given, you can write, suppose if it is about a school and the school's name is not written, then you will write your own school's name. And if the person of the who is writing the notice or drafting the notice is not given, you can use your name. Otherwise, you have to follow the name which is given in the question paper or questions. After writing the name of the institution, the next line we will write notice in block letters in between. After notice, you may leave a line and you write the date. Some students write date this way, as I have written on the board, that is 11/6/2020. It is a wrong way nowadays. Your mark could be deducted. So better you write June 11, 2020 or 11th June 2020. After that, you may leave a line and you write a very suitable and attractive or beautiful heading in block. You can write, then it will be highlighted. Just after that, you will start the body or the content which you want to write in the notice. After finishing the content, you may leave a line and you put the signature. The signature may be yours or it is of the person whose name is written on the in the question paper. You have to follow the question paper. If the name is not mentioned, then you have to put your signature, or if the name is mentioned, you have to write that particular name. Then after signature, the person's name, and the next line, the designation or the post of the person. What is the post mentioned in the question paper, that you have to write in the notice. Dear students, I hope you have understood what I meant to say. Now I'll show you how to put a notice in a box. This is the format. This is the format of the notice. I hope you can see in the box. Name of the institution, then notice, then after leaving a line, date, then heading, then body or content, whatever the things, the topic or the matter you want to write. Then the signature of the person who is drafting the notice, and name of the person, and designation or the post which the person is holding. Dear students, I hope you have understood. Here are some questions for notice writing practice. It is, you are Anupam or Anuradha. It's a question. You are Anupam or Anuradha, the editor of the school magazine, and want to hold an inter-class competition to collect poems and cartoons for the magazine before 20th August 2020. Draft a notice for the students' notice board inviting entries. Mention all details required like entry dates, prizes, etc. Give your notice an appealing heading. Here, since the school's name is not given, only the person's name is given, that is Anupam and Anuradha, who is the editor of the school magazine. So school's name is not mentioned here, so you have to mention your own school's name, that is KLD School Ranchi. I have written in block here because it is the institution's name. You may not write, but it is better to write. Then the next line, notice. I have followed the format here. Then the date, as per the format, date is 12th, so June 12, 2020. Then the heading, poems and cartoons collecting competition. This particular question's answer I have given. You can take the idea from here. There will be an inter-class competition for collecting poems, cartoons, etc. for the school magazine on 25th August 2020 at 1 p.m. in the school hall. The school hall, the collection will be there, and then the decision will be made. Interested students may give their names to the undersigned by 20th August 2020. The winning articles, whatever the cartoons or the poems, with the winning articles carry prizes of rupees 500, rupees 300, rupees 100 respectively. So first prize is rupees 500, second is rupees 300, and third is rupees 100. The decision of the judges will be final. So there will be transparency in the judgment. So judges will decide finally who is the winner. After finishing the content, you leave a line, put the signature of Anupam or Anuradha. If you are a boy, you can sign on behalf of Anupam. You are a girl, then Anupama, and then the name, full name, and the designation. As the designation is given here, the editor of school magazine, so editor school magazine. The writing should be, the notice should be within a box. So this way you have to write, dear students. I have one more for you. You are Raman or Rama, the head boy, head girl of Aurobindo School, Dehradun. Your school is organized in a 2-2 Rajasthan. Draft a notice inviting students who want to join the tour. Put the notice in the box. Here it is given, but on every situation, every case, notice will be within the box. Again, we have framed a box here, and as per the format, we have written here institution's name is given, Aurobindo School, Dehradun. So we will follow that, Aurobindo School, Dehradun. Then again the next line, notice in block letters. Then the date again, after leaving a line towards, date should be, as per CBSE norm, date should be always towards the left side, June 12, 2020. Then after leaving a line, the heading tour to Rajasthan. Since the tour is there, so the details have to be mentioned here. We will start. All the students will be pleased to know that our school is organizing a 5-day to Rajasthan. The details are as follows. You may start the notice as this way also. This is to inform you that our school is going to organize this way also. So here are the details. Classes. The tour is for classes 6 to 10. The date of departure, the day when we will leave for Rajasthan, is July 2nd, 2020. Date of arrival is July 6th, 2020. Because here it is a 5-day tour. Now those who are interested may deposit rupees 10,000 per head. Each student has to pay rupees 10,000. The amount is inclusive of sightseeing. You need not pay anything for sightseeing there, the monuments and everything. Boarding and lodging will be at a 3-star hotel. Please do so by June 20, 2020. For more details, contact the undersigned. You have to pay your money, or you have to intimate that you are going, because the arrangements are required before that. Then after undersigned means you are the head boy and head girl. You have to go and contact them if you want to know more about the tour. So the signature of Raman and Rama here, and their name, and the designation is head boy and head girl, Aurobindo School, Dehradun. I hope students you have understood both the notices. So these all things will be in PDF. So if you have not understood, you will see the PDF again and again, and you can listen the lecture also again and again to understand the things. So the content, here in notice writing is very easy, because here you are not going to learn anything. You have to see the question and write everything, the content, the body, everything, the institution's name, and all the things you have to see from the question. Only you have to know the format. If your format is correct, or if you are knowing the format, your notice will be never wrong. Once again, I am telling you the rules. Your notice should be within a box. Your word limit should be 50 words. Notice should not be very big, or a lot of words should not be used. The notice should be written in passive voice, like here the person is going to contact everybody through the notice, and the words should be very simple, and all the things which are mentioned in the question should be mentioned in the notice, dear students. And the date, as I have told you, the date should be written in that way, and certain things should be highlighted, so that your notice should be perfect. And put a box is very, very important. And you have to follow the thing that if the person's name, the person who is writing the notice, if the person's name is given, you have to follow that particular name and that particular institution or organization. If the name is not given, or the institution's name is not given, you can use your own name and your own school. So read the question very carefully. In notice writing, reading of the question is very important. Then only your answer will be correct and your notice will be perfect. I hope you have understood everything, and if you haven't, you can see the video again and again, and the PDF, the notes in the PDF again and again. You will definitely understand. I have given you 2 questions for homework. You can take help from the 2 notices we have already written here, and should follow the format and follow the rules. The questions are: you are Kabir or Kiran, school captain of Oxford Model School, Rohtak. Draft a notice in about 50 words informing the students of your school about a debate competition to be held on July 21st, 2020. Another question is: you are Nikhil or Nilima, head boy or head girl of your school write a notice on behalf of your school inviting all the grandparents of the students to honor them by organizing a function for them. Grandparents should always be honored, so a function has been organized, so you have to the functions, the dance and dramas and skits will be dedicated to the grandparents, and you have to write about it. So dear students, I'm going to end my class here. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, thank you.